STAC Incorporated is a hydraulic solutions provider to the dry and liquid bulk transportation industry. There's a lot of things that make us different. Again, it's our overall coverage of applications. It's the options on every unit that we have. So we're very light on our feet and able to adapt to change and needs of our customers. And our service commitment, but the biggest thing that I think sets us apart is our people.
We have a technical staff that listens to our customers and designs a system for their needs. We'll provide everything from the PTO, the pump, the motors, everything the customer needs, including the Thermaflow. So we have the staff that will figure out exactly what needs to be done, and we'll supply the parts if necessary.
We have the technical expertise to understand the complete chassis and application requirements. That's key. We know PTOs, we know transmissions, we know the product pumps, and we understand the hydraulics very well. So putting that package together with the understanding of all those aspects is a huge deal for us.
We don't just focus on the large fleets, we focus on the mom and pop fleets, and that ensures that we can design the proper system to be utilized in the industry.
We stock all the necessary components for when a customer calls in and is requesting a design, that we're able to take it to the step of getting it to them within days.
We check industry trends. We look for what's happening out there as far as technology, and most importantly, we listen to our customers. What do they want? What do they need? Are they looking for high tech, or do they want something that's a little bit less expensive to get into?
We have a continuous R&D department that is looking at technology, looking at the changes in our industry, and we're testing and adapting to those changes, and it's a continuous process.
We have a lot of trust in our products, so we carry a 2-year warranty. Another one is that we're always improving our designs, whether it's through different type of designs on the fans, the hydraulic fan motors, to the components being used in the system.
We care about our customers. You know, a lot of people say they care about their customers, but we really want them to have the best products to make the most money for themselves. So we actually are looking out for our customers' best interest.
We strive to be the best. We take the time to get our customers start to finish exactly what they need, whether it be from all the way at the beginning where we're designing the system, doing drawings, and then getting them the final product in their hands in a timely manner and just doing it the best way possible.